The purpose of these video clips is to clarify the simplicity of using the Elementor plugin in WordPress. In this video clip, we'll populate a blank page with an intersection, image, and a map. We'll start with a dashboard. One page was created in a previous video clip. We'll add a second page. Select Pages, Add New, Edit with Elementor, Publish. We'll return to the dashboard. Select triple bars, exit. W icon. We're back to the dashboard pages. Quick edit. Change title and slug to Bryce. Leave parent as main page. Update. We'll continue with settings. Settings, reading, a static page and home, save changes. We'll go back to the pages. Pages, edit with Elementor. We'll start by giving the page a name and removing the unwanted title. Select triple bars, site settings, site identity, change site name to Bryce, update, back to editor. The gear icon on the bottom left, hide title, update. We have a blank page. Click on the 9 squares. We'll start with intersection. First, the page title. Drag text editor to the blank page. The text box appears at the top. Delete text. Select Text tab. Add the HTML code. The title appears. Hover over the top title. Click 6 dots. Layout tab, width 700. Makes the page narrower. Update. Click on the 9 squares. Drag intersection. The intersection appears below the title. Click on the 9 squares. Drag button to the first intersection. The button appears. Select button. Under Content tab, insert HTML code into the text. The words in the HTML code appears in the button. Select Alignment, Center. The button is centered in the first intersection. Select Style tab. Select Color. Enter 0000FF. The button is blue. Update. Select Border type, Solid. For width, enter 8. Color. Enter 999999. The border is gray. Update. Border radius, enter 40. The corners are rounder. Select Content tab. For link, enter nps.gov/brca. Update. Clicking this button takes you to the Bryce Canyon website. Hover over intersection dashed line. Right-click. Then select Add New Column. A third column has been added. Update. Click on the 9 squares. Let's move to an image. Drag image to the second intersection. An image appears. Remove the image. Click the plus symbol. Click Select Files. Mouse to the folder that has the image you desire. Open. Insert Media. The image appears in the second intersection. Update. We'll put a solid color behind the button. Select the button. Advanced tab. Shrink layout. Select background. Select classic. Color 000077. The background is dark blue. Update. Select layout. Unlink. Set padding top and bottom to 20. Update. Let's try using an image for the background. Shrink layout. Background. Click plus symbol. Select Bryce Canyon photo. Insert media. Image looks somewhat similar. Set size to cover. Image looks exact. Click Classic to remove the background. The plan was to put a map in the third section. I decided to make the map larger, so I'll remove the third intersection. Right-click the third section and delete. Now there are 2 columns. Update. We'll continue with the map. Drag Google Map under the intersection. Set location to Bryce Canyon. Height to 400. Select Advanced tab. Set padding to 10 to align with the top section. Update. Select the horizontal lines Exit. W icon. We're back at the dashboard pages. Let's look at the end result. We have a populated page. We'll add a link to this page from the home page. Back to the dashboard pages. Edit with Elementor. Right-click button. Duplicate. A second button appears. Select Second button. Under Content tab, enter HTML code. The button content is changed to Bryce Canyon. Change the link to our Bryce webpage by adding /Bryce. Clicking this button will go to our Bryce Canyon webpage. Select the horizontal lines. Exit. W icon. We're back at the dashboard pages. Let's look at the end results. We have the modified home page. Click the Bryce Canyon button. We connect to our Bryce Canyon page. For more Elementor tutorials, see ndacademy.foxping.com Elementor. This concludes the simplicity of using the Elementor plugin to populate a second page.